Other peoples, it's Rajin and As.
How's it, peoples?
And welcome to our channel. Welcome, sorry.
Not my channel.
Other peoples, I'm Rajin and I'm here with As.
How's it, peoples?
Welcome to my channel. And tonight we're going to share chicken skin scary stories. Okay. Anyway, the story that we're gonna share tonight is kind of popular to the islands. If you're a local or Kama'aina that grew up and was raised here, then you're familiar with this story. You, even if you're not from Hawaii, you've probably heard a similar story, but with different people.
Variations.
Yeah, or different variations. Good choice of words. But anyways, do I start off?
Yeah,
with me first?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mine's on the 40 version.
My story of Morgan's Corner starts off back in the day when I was a teen. Me and my friends used to like to go cruising, thrill seeking, and we go to places that we thought was haunted or was thought to be haunted by other people.
A lot of urban legend areas.
Yeah, or
spots.
Or
locations.
Yeah, where a lot of other teens and other people
in Hawaii.
Yeah, they would be doing the same thing because they heard stories as well. It was in thing to do, yeah. It was a trend back then during our days.
All teenagers go through this, no matter where you live.
Yeah, but I think their story kind of changed. But anyways, the story that we heard about this road that's called Morgan's Corner. It's kind of off the beaten path. Where yeah, it's
from
past
Townside past
Nuuanu
going towards country. It's right off the main highway.
You kind of have to turn on this road, and it's dark. There's no lights. I don't know if there's a street light, but if there is, it's not on. Trust me. Anyway, when you turn on the road, there's like a straightaway, and just before the bend, there's like this tree,
large
big
old banyan tree.
Yeah, and we would park in front of it, like facing it, and our friends, one of them in the car would tell the story about Morgan's Corner. And the story goes, there was a couple that drove up there. I don't know what their intentions was. Maybe they meant to make out. Maybe they meant to.
Most likely.
Maybe they just went there to sit down and
or
talk
he was
story.
Probably.
We don't know.
In the dark.
Anyway, hey, this is my story.
Okay.
Anyway, the couple went up there. As they was driving through that road, the road that I don't know the name shall not be named. And as they hit the turn of the road, their car stalled under the banyan tree. The boyfriend said that he would go and find help. So he told his girlfriend to stay at the car and do not open the door for anyone. She was terrified. She didn't want to be left alone. But somebody needed to seek help. So the boyfriend had to leave. So he left. He was gone for a while. She was so terrified where she didn't want to look out of the car. She had her head facing down and she was like crouched. And then she heard pounding on the door, but she was too terrified to look up. And so she stayed there crouching, hoping that it would go away. It would go away. She didn't want to answer or open the door. And then the knocking subsided and it slowed down. Where it came to a slow thud, thud, thud. But still, she dared not look or lift her head. She ended up falling asleep. As she woke up, she looked up and she noticed sunlight. It was morning. And as she looked out the window, there was a police officer flagging her down. He motioned to open the door, and so she did. He assisted her out of the car and told her, "I'm here to help you. Come this way and please don't look back." And he was bringing her to the cop car. And when he said, "Don't look back," she turned around and looked back, and there was her boyfriend hanging from the tree above the car. And they said that the thud, thud, thud that she was hearing that night was blood dripping. Yeah. So there was like a bloody puddle on the car, on the top of the car. Chicken skin. Anyway, that's the version that I heard, that me and my friends tell to this day. Anyways, before we tell you more about the story,
I get to tell you guys my rendition that I heard when I was living in the housing. It's pretty simple.
That is the
Oh yeah. All the stuff from my friends was two boyfriend girlfriend, all hot in love. They go drive to Morgan's Corner. Why? Because they say it's dark. Ain't got no street lights there. Good place to suki. Don't so we go.
Make out point.
So they say everybody does it. So the honey girl like shoots. So they go drive to the Morgan Corner. Off their vehicle under the banyan tree. Little did they know, they forgot. Don't park under the banyan tree because of all the stories in the past. He's proud that he just marched up. Walk out. Yeah, no worries, honey. I take care of you. Anything happy? No worries. No risky. So things start heating up. They get down and start making out. Going all out. Then all of a sudden, fog out of the car. The windows all fog out. The next minute, you hear like this rapping on the door. Yeah, couldn't that be my friend who follow us up here with the other car and go for try to scare us? And let him go. You can hear all the loud noises with me. I don't get jealous. I'm getting kind of peed right now. Oh yeah, boy. It's just continue. So, okay, honey girl, let's get it on. So, you chance them again. They go. You like this scratching on the car. And start again. The car kind of shake a little bit. So, I was like, you know what? Honey girl, I'm kind of falling out of the mood. No, I gotta check this out, honey girl. It's kind of hard to see it outside the car, so you can try to the window a little bit because I never see nobody there. My friend in, they must be playing stupid. They must be hiding right now. I go check it out. Give them a piece of my mind, you know what I mean? Messing up my program here. So honey girl, yeah, you do what you gotta do, honey boy. Alright, go get on, boy. So, gotta all tap that on. And draw on his pants. No need his shirt. Like, fluff up like Rooster. You know, your honey girl gonna protect you. Go out the car, shut the door, and tell it, just lock the door in case they're gonna try to scare you. I'm gonna try to find out these guys, these culprits. So we go, and she came back, she turned on the car radio, and then, you know, minutes turned to hours. She was like, what the hell? This guy taking a long time, but next morning she's like, just keep calm, answer me. Where the guy stay? What? You like me no more? You ain't gonna hang out with his friends. Then you go turn around, look, wipe the window, try to look outside, turn on the headlight. Nothing. Just keep back, like, yeah, they all must be going. They're gonna try to trick and scare me. Joke's on him. He's not gonna get anything already. I'm tired. I like go home. That's what she was thinking to herself. She was getting all hot too. I don't know. Like, not the kind of hot where, not the kind of hot where I like crack the guy already. Give him both crack a piece of my mind. And she kicked him back. I said, no, I just not gonna pick you. I just go kick back, chill out, wait for him, and then give him a piece of my mind when I see him. All of a sudden, she kind of even doze off. And she could hear scratching later on. Almost there, she could hear like real screech scratching, like, oh, something scraping the top of the roof of the car. And it kind of woke her up, got her startled. What the hell? God damn it, man, it's Junior. I had Junior. Oh, give me a piece of my mind right now. So when she go jump out of the car and she look to the roof, oh, she screamed. Oh, ghostly scream. She threw herself back. Oh my god. Her boyfriend was hanging from his legs on a banyan tree, and his fingers were scraping the top of the roof of the car. Yeah. And that was the story I was told.
No matter what version it is, it's always either the dripping sound or the scratching sound.
Yeah.
And the scratching sound is the body
swinging
back and forth
above the car,
yeah,
from the tree.
And his limbs, whether it be his legs, his feet, or his hands hanging. And it's just scratching the top of the car.
Yeah.
But, ugh.
Well, that was a story I was
eerie.
Whatever. But my experience there was, my friends took me out. They dared me. Me and my other friends. Took me and my other friends like, oh, if you gonna go, I'm gonna go. But yeah, shoot, you go. Go Morgan's car. Drove us up there. It was the beginning of the road now. Jump out of the car. You guys gotta walk the whole road in a dark. I'm gonna follow you guys from behind with the headlights off in the car. Shoot. Get out of the car. You know, big guy kind of scared a little bit. We go. We go. Take off your slipper so they can hear us run. What? So he took off his slipper, only on his slipper. We book him the whole road. We run in a dark. Straight up, all the way up to 13 stairs.
We used to call that what, Heavenly Stairs? Oh, no wait. Stairway to Heaven.
Yeah. So we call it 13 stairs.
We call it 13 stairs.
So we ran all the way over there. Sit down, wait for them. Oh, this guy is driving with the car like, hey, where they stay? They're gone. They get panicking. You know, they cheat. They put on the headlight halfway through the road. Come around Morgan in front of me. Turn on the headlamps.
He was scared.
Yeah.
Because zero light, it's like pitch black over there.
Dark.
Your eyes have to get
adjusted to it.
Yeah, because most cars, when they turn onto that street, they usually do turn off their headlights. Yeah. When me and my friends park in front of the tree, we'll turn on our headlights just to see where the tree is, and then for the rest of the night we'll turn it off, and then that's when we'll tell our story. And they said that if you sit there in the dark for quite a while, you'll end up seeing the apparition or
the silhouette of the body hanging in front of the tree.
Yeah. And sometimes you can hear screams, right?
Oh, I don't know. I never heard.
Yeah.
Because we
I
sat
heard.
there on the top of 13 stairs laughing.
I heard sometimes you can hear screams.
Because in the distance we can see the headlights coming up the road. Eh, bugger the chit.
Yeah. Stairway to Heaven, 13 stairs. That's kind of like towards the end
Of
the
Morgan's Corners Road.
Yeah. The story behind that is there's some kind of building or a house, some kind of structure up on the top. When you That's made out of lava rocks, I think.
Something like that.
And when you walk up the
stairs,
and you'll count 13. And when you hit the top of the stairs, you'll feel like cold or cool breeze, and the hair on the back of your neck will stand, or you'll feel like something eerie touching you from behind, and it will freak the
yeah, and then when you walk
you'll
wanna
go back down. When you run back down the stairs, count the stairs. You'll only count 12.
But there's a secret to it. I won't tell you. You're gonna have to put it in a comment below if you guys want to find out.
If you know what that secret is. Anyway, the stories that we presented to you, that's urban legend. That's why they have similar stories to that across the nation, probably around the world.
Different variations of the story.
Yeah, our versions that we shared, it's not an actual event that happened there. It's fiction. I think that's why they call it urban legend. But there is a murder crime story that happened. That happened at Morgan's Corner. The street name is not actually called Morgan's Corner. Yeah. But then the murder that happened there is scary and intriguing. We'll post link to that website that shares the story. Yeah, in the box down below. So check it out, and please tell us what you think. Anyway, that's our chicken skin scary story for tonight. Halloween is around the corner, so do something fun and thrilling. Maybe make a bonfire, have some marshmallows, pop for apples.
Something. Just don't get hurt though. That way you can enjoy the Halloween day.
Yeah, stay safe out there.
Yes, please.
Anyways, if you enjoyed these scary stories, please tap that like button down below. If you have a scary story that you want to share with us, share your thoughts with us in the comment section down below, or post a link if you have a video. Yeah, and we'd love to check it out. So, anyways, if you enjoy, please subscribe for more of these videos to come. See you later.